Shabbat Shalom, my friends. I see you click this video, means you're curious. Nice. Let me show you something. Today I'm wrapping up my dev week and giving you the full rundown of that I've done on my game project. It's been a ride and I've got a lot to share. Backstory. What game are we making anyway? So here's the deal. Me and my teammates are working on a little side project. A patient game just for the portfolio and skill building, but you know how it goes. Once you start putting your time into something, it becomes way more than just a learning exercise. Now, what's the game? Think of it as something kinda like doodle jump, except plot twist, no doodle and no jumping. Yeah, we're right, but instead of going up, you're going down. Trust me, it will be cool. Let's go. Particles from disaster to cartoon magic. Alright, let's talk particles. I'll be real, they were trash at first, like a straight up junkie. Ideas were slow to come and I started with two basic methods. Play dust and stop dust. Basically, when the player hits the ground, dust plays. When they leave, it stops. Sounds simple, but it didn't feel right. The motion didn't feel alive, so I tried triggering dust when the player taps screen or clicks the mouse. Great, now the cat moves and smoke shows up, but wait, why are particles still playing midair? Yeah, even while falling, looked goofy as hell. And as if that wasn't enough, ER started pulling up, so I added a collider check. Only show dust if the cat is on platform and the button is held. Logical, right? Guess what? Still broke. Eventually I combined the two methods into one. Added the logic to spawn the smoke behind the cats and boom! It finally started working the way I wanted. Felt like magic, old school cartoon vibes, pure joy. Okay, part 2. Game over stats, players deserves closer. Next, I moved on to the game over screen, cause let's be real, if a player dies, they wanna know how far they made it. So I set up 3 stats. Total score, amount of food collected, milk, power-ups used. Super simple values are passed through a UI manager and displayed cleanly. Later I'll polish the visuals, but for now it does the job. Of course, the values also need to be reset when restarting the game, along with things like platform generation, laser effects, and the cat's movement. Spoiler, we're getting to the restart system next. Finally, restart without frustration. I've been putting this off forever, but I finally tucked the game restart properly. Restarting the whole scene every time? Nah, that's just lazy and slow. But restart logic is tricky. You gotta know what to reset and what to leave alone. For example, heals need to be restored, but that's both in the player object and the UI two different components, but that both in the player object and the UI. Two different components that have to sync up perfectly. Same things with statistics, lists, managers. Honestly, the hardest part was handling the platform list. You would think it's simple. Clear out ones, spawn new ones, but somehow it turned it into a whole thing. Still, I got it working. Now the game will start smoothly without reloading the whole scene. Best score, keep it simple. This one short but important. I added a system to save high score using player prefs. It's built into Unity, nothing fancy, just saving one integer and displaying it on the start screen and after death. Took 5 minutes, it feels like a solid feature. Milk bonus, something like butter. Let's talk bonuses. In the end, I decided to keep it simple, just 2 power-ups. One gives you an extra heart, the other, milk, lets you fall through platform without taking damage. Sounds up, right? But here's the thing, how does the player know when the milk bonus is active? Do I make it a mystery? Do I show a timer? Chose the cleanest route, just added a slider UI. Might not be a best UX in the world, but hey, it works, and I would love your feedback if you got better ideas. Implemented the effect used a coroutine, which honestly made everything easier to manage. Everything worked great, until it didn't. The bug? I couldn't get the slider to disappear after the effect ended. I tried to check in if the value hit 0, no luck. Eventually I made separate height value method simple, effective, fix it. So yeah, now it works, clean and buttery. Part 6. Let's raise the stakes. More difficulty equal more fun. Here's where it got real. The game felt too easy, platform spawn, you move, that's it. It's need challenge. So I started playing with platform movements, how fast platform disappear, how quickly they deal damage. Each tweak made the game feel a little more dangerous and a lot more fun. The hardest part, naming the methods. Seriously, I always try to name function in a way that makes sense for me and for anyone reading the codes. Small things, but it makes a huge difference in the long run. Part 7. UI and style. No Unity, just vibes. This last part was all about visuals. One day I didn't even open Unity, just vibed, worked on the UI look and thoughts about the lo-fi style of our game. While my teammate was handling other tasks, top secret for now, I made a mood board, checked out some UI packs on Unity Asset Store and started sketching layouts. Surprisingly, I finished early. The results? I think it looks dope, but I would love to hear your thoughts, got your ideas, drop them in the comments. Final thoughts, now it's your turn. That's my dev progress for the week. Was it messy? Kinda. Was it productive? Hell yeah. So, what do you think? Like, where is the games going? Got feedback? Wanna help make it better? Drop me a comment or hit me up on Telegram. Links in the description. Thanks for watching, stay chill, coding, and as always, pet your cats, don't rage at Unity. See you in the next one. Peace!